Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into next week. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $1.60. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.60, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.60 would be great, but as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact that the party stopped earlier on in the day up there at the $1.79 mark. So $1.79 will be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, in my opinion, resistance levels really don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing. And what has the price been doing? Well, it's been doing this. Building higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So really from the big picture of it all, as long as the price continues to build those higher stair steps, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.